Right now, Bankrate financial analyst Stephen Cates is joining us this afternoon. A great time to have you on, Stephen. Let's talk about that falling stock
Thank you.
market and the tariffs. Really, a lot of families are worrying. Tell us what is really important for people to know as they think about their families and what's ahead.
Well, consumers should know that prices are unfortunately likely to rise. We are applying tariffs to 60 plus countries around the globe where we source a lot of the things that we typically buy: clothes, electronics, raw materials. And that's going to flow through to just about everything that we buy here in the US.
So let's talk about some purchases. A lot of people thinking about big purchases, perhaps a car, a home. We've been talking about the housing market. It's almost vacation time. Is it better to wait or act now?
Well, it depends on what you have in your budget and what's available. If you had a luxurious vacation plan somewhere else in the world, you're going to find that the dollar is a little bit weaker than it was a week ago, and you may need to adjust your plans. So, people who are thinking about vacations or thinking about large purchases of any kind, renovations to their home, they may need to simply shift their expectations because the cost of goods, the cost of materials, the ability for the dollar to go further is escaping us.
Do you have any thoughts on the timing? I mean, is it next week, next month? I mean, I'm asking for a friend. Let's just say that, Stephen.
In terms of when the tariffs
Yeah, when to
will
buy a
really start
car,
to
when to
hit the
do any
bottom
of those
line.
things. Yeah.
Well, I mean, the auto tariffs have taken effect as of last night. So if you want to be buying a car, the inventory that's on the dealer lots, that may be the last ones that are not going to be impacted. But you may see dealerships raise prices in anticipation of the fact that everyone knows that these are happening.
Okay,
So
last thing I want to ask
I
you.
don't think. Yeah.
Sorry, go ahead. Go ahead.
I was just going to say I don't think that there's really a chance for people to sidestep this.
The last thing I want to ask you is about your advice to people who are either retired or about to retire.
So people who are retired or about to retirement may be looking at their portfolio in shock. Ideally, if you're in that position where you're drawing income from your portfolio or need it to support you, then you have been much more conservatively invested. If you're invested in 100% US large cap tech, you're having an extremely bad week. Ideally, you also own fixed income, international stocks, possibly commodities like gold. Those are things that are going to diversify and protect your portfolio. If you don't do that today, you should start to make some adjustments and make some tactical decisions to move in that direction.
All right, so call your financial person ASAP.
Correct.
Stephen, thank you so much. We're really glad to have you on. Try to get more time with you next time.